Hey everyone, just wanted to show you guys this new workflow I built on Champ. So this is a compliance workflow which takes a list of companies from a Google Sheet and checks each one on the Florida Division of Corporations website whether or not they are currently compliant. So how does this look? So we start off with a Google Sheet where each company has their name, their document number, as well as their entity type. It then loops over each of these companies and then sets up a browser agent that goes on the website, taking the entity name and the document number, searches them up, checks their status, their filing date, their FEI, EIN number, principal address, and one or two other properties, and then through a set of rules determines whether or not this company is compliant. So it classifies it as either compliant, at risk, or delinquent. It also provides a summary based off the compliance of the company and determines recommended action based off the compliance status. So let's run this workflow and see what it looks like. It's up and running. Let's go check on its status. So the first step is reading all the entities from the Google Sheet. And as you can see, it's successfully obtained each row from the Google Sheet. And now it's going through and looking up each one of those companies and outputting whether or not they are currently compliant. So as you can see in this bottom right corner, it is currently navigating through this web page in order to get all of the information we asked it to in the initial prompt. So now that our workflow has finished running, let's go check on the results. As you can see here, our workflow has updated the spreadsheet for each of the 8 companies we looped through. It was able to find all of their statuses and Sunbiz, the last annual report, registered agent, and principal address, like we asked it to in the prompt. And then from these properties, able to come up with a compliance status based on the set of rules we predefined, as well as a summary and a recommended next action. So to give you a good example, at the bottom here, this company, National Admin Solutions, where the agent was not able to find a last annual report and therefore reported it as delinquent. It also came up with a summary and a recommended next action based on the fact that it was delinquent.